What's up guys, I'm Zain and today we are going to review DirecTV Stream. So in this video, we'll discuss in detail all about DirecTV Stream service. We'll talk about the pricing, available add-ons, user experience, and promotional offerings. So let's get started. In the fast-paced world of streaming services, DirecTV Stream stands out as a comprehensive option for those seeking a diverse range of channels, on-demand content, and customizable packages. In this review, we will take an in-depth look at the services, pricing, add-ons, promotions, user experience, and other important aspects of DirecTV services. So now let's start with services. DirecTV Stream offers a wide selection of channels including local, sports, news, and entertainment options. With its cloud DVR feature, you can record and save your favorite shows for later viewing. The on-demand library provides access to a variety of movies and TV series. The inclusion of popular channels like HBO Max and Showtime adds value to the service. And now let's talk about the price. DirecTV Stream's pricing is competitive with packages starting at around $70 per month. However, prices can quickly escalate as you add premium channels or additional features. The lack of a free tier may deter some cost-conscious consumers. It's important to note that taxes and regional sports fees can increase the monthly cost, so be careful of this point. Add-ons. DirecTV Stream offers several add-on options, allowing you to customize your package. Premium channels like HBO, Cinemax, and Showtime are available for an extra fee. The sports pack is perfect for sports enthusiasts, while international channel packages cater to a diverse audience. Overall, the add-on options provide flexibility for tailoring your streaming experience. Now let's get into the promotions. DirecTV Stream often runs promotions that can significantly reduce the cost of your subscription, especially for new customers. These promotions typically include free streaming devices such as the DirecTV Stream device or a discount on the first few months of service. So be sure to check for the latest deals when signing up in order to get these promotions. Now let's jump into the user experience. DirecTV Stream offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate and discover content. The ability to stream on multiple devices simultaneously adds convenience for households with multiple viewers. However, occasional buffering issues may disrupt your viewing experience, depending on your internet connection. The remote control, though functional, might not be as intuitive as some competitors. And now we're going to discuss some other important considerations. And the first thing that we are going to talk about in the considerations partition, internet connection. To get the most out of DirecTV Stream, a reliable high-speed internet connection is crucial. A minimum download speed of 8 MB per second is recommended, but for optimal performance, higher speeds are advisable. And now when talking about the device compatibility, DirecTV Stream supports a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, streaming players, and web browsers. This versatility ensures you can enjoy your favorite content on the device of your choice. Now, it's time to talk about the contracts. One notable advantage of DirecTV Stream is its lack of long-term contracts. You can cancel your subscription at any time without incurring termination fees, giving you flexibility and control over your entertainment choices. Now, let me give you a short account on customer support. While DirecTV Stream offers customer support through phone and online chat, some users have reported mixed experiences with response times and issue resolution. So improve the customer service, and overall your experience differs from other experiences, and this actually is present in nearly all companies. In conclusion, DirecTV Stream offers a robust streaming experience with a wide variety of channels, on-demand content, and customization options. While pricing can become steep with add-ons, promotions and contract flexibility help balance the cost. The user-friendly interface and device compatibility make it a convenient choice for many viewers. And keep in mind that a reliable internet connection is essential for seamless streaming, and customer support isn't that good and needs some improvement. If you value channel variety and customization, DirecTV Stream is worth considering as your ultimate entertainment solution. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.